Hello friends, today we discuss about reflection of light and laws of reflection. Short notes define about an incidence ray, reflected ray and normal, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So let's go to the topic. My name is Barkat Junejo. Reflection of light theory. Reflection of light refers to the phenomenon where light bounces back from a surface after striking it. The surface may be a mirror, water, or any other smooth surface. When light strikes a surface, some of it is observed and the rest is reflected. The law of reflection describes how light behaves when it strikes a reflective surface. Laws of reflection. There are two fundamental laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The angle at which the incidence ray, the incoming ray of light, strikes the reflective surface is equal to the angle at which the reflected ray leaves the surface. Mathematically, angle I is equal to angle R. Second law, the incidence ray, reflected ray and normal to the surface all lie in the same plane. This means that the ray of light, it is reflection, and the perpendicular line, the normal to the surface at the point of incidence are all coplanar, lie in the same plane. Terms related to the reflection. Incident ray, the ray of light that strikes the surface. Reflected ray, the ray of light that bounces off the surface after reflection. Normal, the imaginary line perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence where the incident ray hits the surface. Angle of incidence, the angle formed between the incident ray and the normal. Angle of reflection, the angle formed between the reflected ray and the normal. Types of reflection. Regular reflection occurs when the surface is smooth like a mirror and all the reflected rays are parallel, forming a clear image. Diffused reflection occurs when the surface is rough, causing the reflected rays to scatter in many directions, resulting in no clear image. Diagram of reflection of light.